For decades, the American dream was basically the Indian middle class fantasy package. Study hard, get a degree, move to the US, land a tech job, and boom, you're suddenly the star of every WhatsApp family group. And your Facebook pictures are suddenly the talk of town, small town India. But now, that dream is looking a little well cracked. And what are people looking for instead? Dubai. This is Quick Take, your quick guide. I'm Smita Prakash. Apparently, the new American dream is now the Emirati dream, only with better malls and far more Lamborghinis stuck in traffic. The US problem. Let's start with the US. Once upon a time, coding was marketed as the golden ticket. Learn Java, move to Silicon Valley, make six figures, marry a doctor, retire early. But now, tech firms are slashing jobs. Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Intel, all are cutting back. And AI is taking over tasks that used to keep entire teams of fresh graduates busy. Which means for new computer science grads, the dream job is gone. And sometimes the only job call they get is from Chipotle. Imagine studying algorithms for 4 years only to end up learning the intricacies of guac portion sizes. Stats. The numbers make it worse. Among young graduates, computer science majors now face one of the highest unemployment rates, more than double in the fields like biology or art history. And that's shocking because say what you will about art history, at least no one thought, yes, Mona Lisa expertise will definitely guarantee me a job at Google. And I'm not kidding here. Why Dubai? Meanwhile, Dubai is basically whispering, psst, over here. Because not only do engineers earn salaries comparable to the US, they also pay no income tax. That means what you earn is what you actually keep. Which, let's face it, sounds like a scam until you realize no, it's just their system. Plus, Dubai is just a short flight from India. Your parents can visit without needing a 2-day layover. And you don't have to spend your life worrying about H1B lotteries or green card purgatory, which, if you've ever dealt with US immigration, feels like playing the world's most depressing slot machine. Bigger picture. And it's not just a few families. The UAE already has the world's second largest Indian diaspora, which of course everyone knows is 4.3 million people. That's basically an entire city of Indians, but with more skyscrapers and much fancier brunches. Add streamlined visa systems like golden and investor visas, and suddenly the US looks like the bureaucratic ex-boyfriend who still hasn't moved on, while Dubai is the well-dressed, new commitment-ready partner. Dubai or Singapore? It's an old debate. The Desi vibes are more in Dubai. Indian schools, temples, festivals, and more biryani per square kilometer than most of Mumbai. If you want Swiss precision but with dim sums and fewer watches, it's Singapore. Great public transport, excellent governance, and pristine streets. Then of course Singapore's your choice. Career-wise, you want to grow? Singapore's your choice. Work-life balance and savings? It's Dubai. So here's where we are. In the US, coding graduates are wondering whether they should have just studied interpretive dance instead. In Dubai or Singapore, skilled workers are stacking savings, living closer to family, and not worrying if their visa renewal will get lost in government backlog. The real question is, will America fix this before Dubai, Singapore, and others eat its lunch? Or will the phrase going to the US for a better life soon sound as outdated as installing Windows XP?